Konnichiwa minasan. In today's kanji practice, we will look at some compounded kanji characters. That is when we combine two kanji characters to form one compound kanji. So the first kanji is for the sun radical. This is the sun and this is the root radical. So together it forms Nihon. So this is Nihon, which means Japan. So how it is called Japan? So Ni, this is the sun, plus this is the root or origin. So origin of sun, that means the land of rising sun. So it's in the far east. Japan is in the far east, so it's the land of rising sun. So from there it has got this kanji, that the land of rising sun or Nihon. The second one is iriguchi. So as you can see, this is the kanji for to enter, which is the verb iru, and this is the radical for mouth or opening. So to enter plus the mouth or opening. So this means entrance or the main gate through which people enter. So that's why this is iriguchi, iriguchi. So iriguchi is entrance of a building or anywhere, any place, entrance. Next is, you can see the kanji for fire and the kanji for mountain. So this is ka, and this is for mountain. We don't write here yama, we write it as zan, kazan. So kazan, fire plus mountain. Can you guess what it could be? Yes, it is volcano. So a mountain that emits fire is volcano, kazan. So this is how we combine fire and mountain into a compounded kanji, kazan. Next is, this is the kanji for numeral 1, and this is the kanji for person. This is the person or human radical. So one person. So this is ichi, this is hito. But when we write them together, we call it hitori. Hitori. So that is one person. It is hitori. Next we have, this is the kanji for earth or soil, and this is the kanji for tree or wood. So soil plus wood. So this compounded kanji is used to represent civil engineering. So in earlier days, the civil engineering consisted of construction made of soil and wood. That's why this symbol is in place. Although currently civil engineering deals with all the cement and concrete and sand and other steel and iron stuff, but this is from the ancient time, that's why, and this is still in use, and it is called doyobi. I'm sorry, not doyobi. Doyobi is Saturday. So this is doboku. Doboku. So this is moku basically, but when it is compounded, the moku becomes boku. So do is for earth or soil, as in doyobi, Saturday, and this is moku becomes boku, so doboku. So doboku is nothing but civil engineering. Next we have very popular, very common one, Tanaka. So we have the rice field here like this. So observe this stroke order. This we have done earlier as well. This is ta, and this is naka. Tanaka. So Tanaka, the literal meaning is inside rice field, since this is rice field and this is inside, and this is also a popular surname in Japan. Tanaka-san. You might remember we have been using Tanaka-san in most of our videos in example conversations. So this is Tanaka. Then we have, this is the kanji for moon. Let's write it down. Observe the stroke order. And this is the kanji for me, which is to see. So this is, first of all, this is the kanji for I. 1, 2, 3. And this represents me. So this is the moon radical, this is the I radical, and this is the verb to see. So moon plus to see. That means moon viewing. So the reading will be Tsuki mi. Tsuki mi, which is nothing but the moon viewing festival of Japan. Just like Hanami. Hanami is flower viewing festival because Hana is flower and mi is again to see. So Hanami is flower viewing festival, and Tsukimi is a moon viewing festival which takes place usually in autumn time. So next is Omori. So you can see this is the kanji for big, and this is the kanji for forest. So first stroke, second stroke, third, fourth, three tree radicals we have to draw. So this is the tree radical. If there are two trees, then it is grove. Now here it is 3, then it is forest, and this is big. So this is a big forest, and we write it as, so this represents O, which means big, and this is Mori. So Mori. So O Mori. Also we write like this, O Mori. So big forest. This is another. And the last one for today's lesson is, as you can see, this is the radical for water, and this is the radical, or not radical, the symbol for car, kuruma. So this is Mizu, this is kuruma, right? Mizu and kuruma. But here we don't use Mizu and kuruma. These are kunyomi readings. We will use onyomi readings, which are sui and sha, as in densha. So this is onyomi reading. So this is sui sha. Sui and sha. Sui sha, which means water mill. Sha is for vehicle or car, and sui is for water. So that means this is a water mill, a mill which is run through water. So in this way, these are the very common compounded kanji characters which we practice today using these radicals and very basic kanji characters. So let's recap. This is Nihon, Iriguchi, Kazan, Hitori, Doboku, Tanaka, Tsukimi, Omori, and Suisha. So I hope this has been helpful to you. So we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mata imashou.